Original clip 2020. Selling SA IDs a multi-million-dollar industry. B. Imagine a foreigner deployed to an embassy abroad for SA. These positions are key to a country's intel. Normalizing treason does not make it legal. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. Zondo has focused on tender/business state corruption. Which is great. But we also need to look at systematic, legalized corruption. First on mind is how natives are spectators in their own economy. It's a new form of apartheid. Remember that was legal. Let's talk of two main ID documents. Native citizens and permanent residents. Of course, the political elite have created other vehicles of corruption to achieve the same displacement of natives from economy/country. Do you remember story told to the citizens? We're giving foreigners ID documents so we can track people in the country. Total nonsense to justify selling SA documents and commit treason. How can foreigners' paper look identical to citizens' docs? They could have taken foreign fingerprint etc. but created totally different papers for quick and easy identification. The only reason one would do this is to muddy the waters, making it hard to see citizen versus temp foreign documents. Do you remember the first response by government to the truck driver displacement? But these drivers have ID documents. Question: does that make them citizens? Native: do you see at what a high level and how far this treason goes? They have normalized it, they have prepared our minds to accept this corruption. Using media as their key channel of communication. And constitutional court to legalize this. SSA, investigate please. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. Thandi here. Awesome.